just in the Meredith Ranges, I think this is, west of Rosebery. You can see just tracks going over these hills, and you can see the devastation from the fires they had through. Over there, I don't know if you can see it way off, there's the wind farm which you were camped on the other side, and that's the ocean out there. Just the whole way around, look. Oh, it's just cold up here. Did a bit of an explore around Lake Rosbury, or west of Tulla should I say, not very far from Tulla. Yeah, found this little spot. It's got Farm Inlet or something on the lake. I really do love the rockiness of the lakes in Tassie. It just makes such a cleaner experience. But look at that in the water, always like this. Clear, clean, nice and pebbly. Oh, yeah, it's a bit chilly, as you can see with my two jackets, but sitting here by the fire in the arvo having a beer. A little fire before some rain comes, and then I'll retreat inside like a mint. Had a shower, didn't have a swim, week. Actually, I don't know how cold the water is now. Actually, it's not even that. It's not that bad. I should have just had a swim. He is wanting to run back up the track. That's all you like to do. You're a good kid. Just at Warratah Falls in the town of Warratah. It's like literally right in the town. The pub up there overlooks them. So yeah, when it was it's a mining town, so the falls were originally used to run a whole system of water wheels for electricity and machinery. Front key. Oh, you can't go outside. You think it's the door, do you? Where you going? Get back in. Yeah. I know, it's like hey, sit. You've been good, eh? Hey, right. Hiking into Philosophers Falls, which is between Warratah, well, it's a bit outside of Warratah, not that far. On my way to Corinna. Oh, it's cold today, I can tell you. I think I need gloves. I don't think I bought gloves because I didn't think I was going to need gloves. Hiking back up from Philosophers Falls, which is not a really long hike, maybe 20-30 minutes maybe. Lots of these stairs, which are pretty well made. Falls are quite cool because they got like they just come out of the forest and disappear into the forest, which is something a little bit different to most of them. This is striking now on bridges, still not like super confident, but I've had enough experience to be pretty good now, aren't you, mate? This one doesn't care, obviously. Pushing on, we did a bit of a drive through the ghost town of Linnea. Its original population existed to serve the interests of mining tin and copper, but today all that's left is a few streets. The truck felt like it needed to take a bit of a souvenir. I didn't agree. Just driving on the way from Corinna to Arthur River, and thought I'd, raining again, thought I'd check out the old historic town of Balfour. Pretty handy for when it rains like this and you start making your video and you want some shelter, because there's an old shack pub that's here, which is pretty cool. You can just come in and shelter in here. So yeah, there's a fire. It's
Pretty cool. Pretty cool. People have left hats and stubby coolers. Yeah, so like it's always beer o'clock, so maybe I will have to have a morning beer here. It's currently 12 degrees, looking at that. And someone's driven a Land Rover through the side of it. Oh, she's coming down now. All the old different plates and signs that are being picked up. Very cool. There's a fridge. Oh, surely someone's left some in there. Look at that. A couple have been left. Not bad. Not bad at all. That's pretty cool. Full visitors book. Another one opened right here. So just across from the Shack pub. There's something in here. Looks like it's an old bus or something. Old bus home. Wow, it's creepy. Wonder how long this has been here for. There's a radiator cap just sitting out the front there. Man, would I die? That's cool. She's a bit leaky nowadays. The fireplace has seen better days. Some of it's held up okay. Look at the seat. That's like another bunk. Am I gonna fall through the floor and die? There's a whole bathroom in there. So it's like, this has been left. It's so cool. Very cool. Just camped. Well, I think I'm going to camp up on the dunes near the town of Temma, which is south of Arthur River. Man, it's rugged out there today. The winds are like 60k an hour. Bullheads want to have a play, they can have a play. Chuck's up there, copping it, and just uses it as a shield to get in and out the other side. But on Sundown Creek, the dogs were fascinated by this new creature they'd never seen. One of the local teachers has just let me know a little known secret about some of these rocks. You can see here, these are probably about 10,000-year-old Aboriginal carvings. They're known about. There's a few others in some other areas, but yeah, it's really cool because to stumble on something that's not well known or advertised. See, there's more there. You can see those marks there. Strike is like being disrespectful, and these marks here are some as well. And there's more along now. The tide's coming up, you can't see them as easy, but yeah, pretty cool discovery. And walking up the beach, we came across a mass beaching of false killer whales. 150 in total. 60 died initially and 90 had to be euthanized. This was a pretty heartbreaking sight. The weather is back. Look at this morning. Calm. This little creek we're on near the ocean is also calm. and it's sunny. And I'm on the lawn. Well, it's light lawn here, in thanks to the resident wombat and the thousands of wallabies that come out, or paddymellons, whatever you want to call them. Hopefully the rest of the weather stays like this. Interesting looking at the news and the floods in the outback. It's going to be maybe a rethink of what route I can even take coming months. It's pretty scary stuff for some people out there. What do you think, Eva? You think you could just swim in the outback? You would like that, wouldn't you? Yeah. Are you a cat striker?